This is a third punched turntable. 6 sets of punching dies can be placed, which greatly saves time. The laser locates the punching position through the die hole. The shearing slider is cast integrally, which increases the strength and the precision of the shearing station. Ensure the long-term use of the shearing station, and the shearing is free of burrs. Schneider is used for all internal electrical components. Siemens is used for numerical control system. This ensures smooth operation of the equipment and accurate bending angle. The whole equipment workbench is coated with anti-rust oil. This is the shear positioning ruler, which can be adjusted. Loosen the handle and adjust the desired shearing size. The CNC touch screen, the use position is adjustable. This is the toolbox. At the time of shipment, all accessories are placed here. This is the bending station, which adopts an open structure. This is a laser-printed scale. When bending, it ensures that the bottom surface of the copper bar will not be damaged. The open bending station is more convenient for placing and processing copper bars. This is the length positioning ruler of the punching station. This is the punching laser positioning lamp. This is the machine lamp. After arriving at the user's factory, the user can install it by oneself. This is the side positioning ruler of the punching station. 3 hydraulic driving motors are used inside the CNC Busbar machine. Punching, shearing and bending can work at the same time.